WHY is Roblox like this? Bro. Explain to me WHY joined game and my character looks like a billionaire, but I have 0 Robux. Like sir, I'm wearing a gold chain, wings, glowing eyes, and I can't even afford a DOR in Bloxburg. And don't get me started on obbies. Why is the first level easy, then level 2 is like only 0.1% can survive? Excuse me, and who keeps pushing me off the map? I know it's one of you. I can feel it. Also, why do Roblox NPCs talk like this? Hello traveler, complete my quest. Bro, just say go get 5 apples. Anyway, if I fall one more time, I'm uninstalling. Falls immediately. Yeah, I'm done. I quit. Goodbye. Logs back in 2 minutes later. If you want, I can make it even more chaotic or add meme sound cues.